Locksmith Washington PA is the ultimate provider of solutions. We have skilled locksmiths who are always eager to assist you with any of your unexpected requirements. Our technicians are proficient with any type of hardware. We are able to react to any of your predicaments and supply you with superior quality service. We have a large range of locks to choose from, and we can guide you on the top solutions for your requirements. We also have padlocks and combination locks. Our employees are exceptionally experienced in all types of locks and are always ready to serve you with their professional service. In cases where your current key might be lost or destroyed, we will be able to solve your predicament, not matter how challenging. We understand your emergency needs, and that is why our team is on duty 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We want to make certain that your premises are protected at all times. So call us at 412-567-8483.